Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Next.js versus Python to help you decide which is better for your project. Next.js excels in building fast, interactive web interfaces, leveraging the power of JavaScript. Python, on the other hand, is a powerful, general-purpose language perfect for robust backend logic, extensive data processing, and advanced artificial intelligence. We'll explore their distinct strengths and ideal use cases to guide your decision effectively. Next.js shines as a front-end powerhouse built on React. It offers features like server-side rendering and static site generation, significantly boosting performance and search engine optimization. Developers appreciate its intuitive file system routing and API routes, streamlining the creation of dynamic web applications. If your focus is on building fast, interactive user interfaces with a seamless developer experience, Next.js is an excellent choice. Python is incredibly versatile, extending its reach far beyond just web development. It's a go-to for robust backend systems using frameworks like Django or Flask, and it truly dominates in data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Its clear, readable syntax makes development faster and more efficient. With thousands of libraries available, Python offers solutions for nearly every computational challenge, making it a powerful choice for complex logic and data-intensive tasks. So, which is better? It truly depends on your project's needs. Choose Next.js for building lightning-fast, engaging user interfaces and front-end experiences. Opt for Python when you need robust backend logic, powerful data processing, or advanced machine learning capabilities. For a complete web application, you'll often find them working together. Next.js handling the user-facing part and Python powering the server side. Each excels in its domain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.